No vape at all. No way. No vape at all. No vape. No. No other vape. As you guys can see, I would set it right there. You can see like a little mark, but there is no, because I mooned it.